Alright, hey guys, so I'm at my madre's casa. Oh my gosh, that's so awkward because right when I started doing that, your neighbor pulled up. Alright, but so we are doing HelloFresh meals for like the first time ever. I got a code. They like basically gave us free food. So that's what we're doing. Today we are making these guys. I don't even know what this is called. Beef taco flatbreads. Ooh, it looks super yummy. So the card is way bigger than I thought it was. And then it gives you all the instructions. And then we have all the food laid out. I brought the cats with me since I'm gonna be here for a while. So if you hear some crying, it's them. What are you crying for? She was just crying and then Barbie's in the other room crying. So that's cool, huh? So here's all the ingredients. So we've got wow, that seems like a lot of beef. How many people is this supposed to serve? Two?
You ordered 4.
Oh, so you're supposed to cut these in half? But so it comes with the flatbread. What is this? The Southwest Spice Blend. Whoa, you even get these little baby Cholula hot sauce packets. That's so cute. And then like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. All the cheese is like already prepped in like these little baby bags. So you got Mexican blend, can I read? And then Monterey Jack. I can't read. I'm so hungry, I can't read. We've got these jalapenos. Did the jalapenos come cut up or did you cut them up?
I cut them up.
So they were full?
Yeah.
My mom, cause like I had the stuff sent here before I got here, you know, so she already chopped some of the stuff up. But like it came with, how many tomatoes did it come with?
2.
What is this here? Peppers?
Yeah, it's the same peppers.
Oh, so
2 of those.
So you chop, jalapeno peppers or regular peppers?
Regular peppers that came.
Okay.
The jalapeno pepper is over
separate.
in other little containers.
Yeah, and then we've got these little packets of sour cream. So we've got 3 packets of those. It came with the onion?
No.
Oh, okay. So you added the onion and you added the salsa.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the tomato salsa out of my garden.
Cool. So we are currently making, I guess, the ground beef, yeah?
No, I'm following instructions.
So she already did the prep basically so that it was done, which is actually good because we're like starving. Your hands are gonna have to be in it. You don't have ugly hands. She said she has ugly hands. You have less wrinkles on your hands than me. All right.
I didn't do my nails.
Oh. So she's making the peppers. What goes in here?
It says just to do this. You can read the paper to make them kind of a smoky flavor.
Char poblano. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over high heat. Add the poblano. Cook, stirring. Okay, cool.
Move back.
Oh, sorry. So that was almost a fail because I didn't think I hit record, but okay. She had it set up so nicely and then I messed it
Can I
up.
have the oil, please?
Oh, she fancy. Look at the oil. Yeah, but we gotta see what you're doing.
I'm putting olive oil, onto the flatbread.
She's hungry. This is how hungry she is. She just doesn't care about me. Oh, she added in the ground beef. So if you don't like meat cooking, sorry. O'Malley. And then we've already got the flatbreads. That's huge pieces of flatbread, actually. So I guess it makes sense. That was a lot of meat.
But I'm cooking it all and just put it in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
You know, since it was shift, you know, I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Want to make sure it's cooked. Oh, so this says prep time is 10 minutes. You think it took you about 10 minutes to cut everything up?
Probably.
And then total time is about 25 minutes. Calories is 930, and that's if you eat everything together. So does it tell you like how many servings it's supposed to be, or is it just like 2?
I don't know.
I like though how it even has like all of the little ingredients like over on the side and stuff. Like tells you how much of each, just so if you keep this later on,
yeah,
you can like remake it. So that's pretty cool. I like that it has the pictures actually too on the instructions. I don't know why, I just think it's cool.
I mean, if you did this for a whole year, you can make your own cookbook by adding all those pieces into a notebook.
Yeah.
If you did it for a whole year, you know.
Do you need like a lid so that they cook faster, or?
I'm gonna add more meat in the pan. Oh. I told you how to film cooking the meat.
Sorry.
You're gonna have to edit that out. That's just ugly.
Alright, so also, I'm just here to film, really. My feet hurt. Also, so we went to like a ton of stores, even though we shouldn't have, but we did. Ton of stores, meaning like 3. 2 Dollar Trees, Target,
Michael's.
We did go to Michael's. How could I forget Michael's?
And 3 Starbucks.
We did go to 3 Starbucks because I wanted my mermaid cup because my mom has one. And I was like, how do you have a cup before I do? You know? I had to get a mermaid cup and she was getting coffee beans. Are you comfy? Are you comfy, O'Malley? Barbie. Are you gonna hide the whole time? We're here? Hey, do you want to come out? Do you want to come out and play? Do you want to come play? Huh? Are you thirsty? Are you hungry? Oh, kitty, so cute. You can come out. I'm coming. Bye, Barbie. Come on, play. Come on out. Oh, you scared? It's okay. Okay, bye.
It does not come with salt, pepper, and the oil. You have to have that yourself. Salt, pepper, and oil yourself.
Well, that's good to know. So if you don't have olive oil, you can't make it.
You only use a little bit. You can use coconut oil.
I'm just kidding.
Oil.
You can use whatever oil you want. Do people use butter?
You can use butter because all we were doing was charring the peppers.
All right, my feet hurt so bad.
And to be honest with you, I should not have cooked it in the same pan with the beef because you want to drain the beef after it's cooked, but I can do that in a strainer.
Funny thing too. So, my mom wanted to order the same drink as me, right? So she ordered a grande drink. Does this look like a grande cup? She even put on here grande. We talked about this for an hour as we were ordering, right? Because she was like, can I have one of your baby cups? And I was like, why would you get a baby cup? And she was like, well, what size should I get? And I was like, not a baby cup. And she was like, well, what size is the baby cup? So they showed her the size of the baby cup compared to the grande cup. And she was like, oh, okay. Give me a grande. So she ordered a grande, but I really think this is a tall. So please, someone tell me. Like, I don't know how to show this, but like, okay. So here's the cup. Here's the size of like a normal like straw. I'm just like confused. See how many inches this? 1, 2, 3, 4 inches tall. Is that a tall or is that a grande? Please let me know in the comments below. And here's my cup. What was the drinks that we got? The dragon drink. Mm-hmm. So I finally tried the dragon drink also. Pretty good. Would you order it again? I can cut it out. She's like so afraid of being on the camera that she was like not able to grab stuff. I'm like, this is her kitchen. So obviously the dragon fruit that's in here was freeze dried because I did see them grab it. And once it's like in the drink, they don't taste like anything. Is it because it's just already in the drink, the flavor? His hair. So the flatbread's already in the oven. Excuse me, can I show? Oh, we missed her putting that in the oven, but that's cool. Meat looks pretty well cooked already. Oh, that does have a lot of juicy juice to it.
Right, but I'll drain it.
Oh, wait, you're adding that before you drain?
Oh, maybe I should.
Did it tell you to drain the meat?
Yeah, it says to drain the meat.
Where?
Drain any excess grease. Oh, and then I add the spice.
Yeah.
Oh, great catch.
Good thing, because I was like, wait, you're going to pour out all...
Great catch. You're here for some reason.
It says to drain the... I'm scared to stand closer than that. So before you add in your little seasoning, the she was about to just go crazy and add that in. She's been here before, so I don't understand why she's being like this, but I guess it's been a while. So you can come out. You can come out, Barbie. Do you want to come play? Yeah, you like to play. I brought your toys.
Oh, Hannah.
Yes.
It also came with cilantro.
She forgot the cilantro. We can't forget that. I love cilantro. It also came with cilantro that she almost forgot to put on there. I feel like this is gonna be so good. I already smell it and it smells so good.
Right here. So why don't you take them in the bathroom and put them under the rain stand?
That's really far. Okay, I can wash my hands?
Yeah.
Which one do you use for your hands?
Either one. Because, you know, how quick I'm washing my hands. I'll grab a bar of soap.
What's the metal looking thing for? Did you add the seasoning without me?
I'm sorry. Come on. I added this.
It might have got it just a little bit, and it was probably like the whole time they're gonna be like, she's adding the seasoning. I can't even dry my hands.
Right here.
Okay, can I do the cilantro? She already added the seasoning.
2 packs because I doubled the meat.
Oh, it was supposed to be separate meals, and that's what you were talking about.
I guess so. You're gonna take the leaves off like this. Like this.
Oh no!
Sorry.
Can I still use it?
No. And then you're gonna take the scissors and cut it up really fine. You know, just
And
roll it like this, and put it in with that. That'll be fine.
Okay. It's looking good. This is hard to do with my nails on.
Okay, then I'll do it.
Oh, you adding cheese? Oh, we can't even see what you're doing. It's gonna melt. Ooh, melty cheese. So, are you adding both cheeses?
Yeah, we can.
Monterey, why did they, it's weird. Why can't they just pick one cheese?
To make it extra cheesy, I don't know.
And you're gonna use the rest of the cilantro next time? Or am I supposed to be using that too?
Cut all that up. That's there.
Tomatoes.
Okay, you put cilantro on there. And
The hot sauce? And the...
that's a personal choice of hot sauce.
You don't want to add the hot sauce?
No.
I want to add it so that it matches the flavor it's supposed to.
You can add it on your own plate.
Okay.
I'm going to put onions on both of them though. Which I'm adding onions. The onions did not come with it.
I want onions too.
I'm going to stick it back into the oven just to melt the cheese. Personal sour cream over here. Oh, and it says for a veggie version, you can swap out the beef for mashed black beans.
Oh.
Oh, I could have done that for you. I have black beans. Sorry.
I want to taste it. The cilantro, it seemed like there was way more in there. Or was some of the pieces not good?
Some of the pieces were not good.
How long do you think it sat outside before you got it?
It didn't sit outside. I mean traveling time.
Oh.
It didn't sit outside because I was home when they delivered it.
Did they knock?
They rang the doorbell, yes.
Oh wow. Was the outside box HelloFresh? Like you could see what it was?
Yes.
Oh, it was the box you showed me, huh?
Yes. It was really nicely packaged. And it had ice, you know, those recyclable ice things.
Yeah. So everyone knew you were getting food.
But they were probably saying, yeah, she does not like to cook.
Only took me 7 hours to cut up the cilantro.
I say, my God. Okay, we're going to add cilantro to it. Just a little bit because it is a lot. And
We gotta get this magic. It smells so good.
sometimes I don't like cilantro.
Oh, I actually love cilantro.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put most of it on yours. To me, sometimes it tastes like soap.
I've never had cilantro that tastes like soup, but...
Soap, not soup.
So, this time, you definitely dropped whatever that was because O'Malley saw it.
Uh-oh.
I can't wait to eat it. Oh, that tastes good. Very nice. Oh, you cut into little bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
She said, I do not want to cut this. I don't want to waste any time while I eat. I want to scarf it down. Yes.
Okay.
What?
There you go.
What's up? Nothing? Okay.
Please don't duck onions.
Onions are no good for kids. Pets. They're good for me.
Well, we're gonna sit here and eat so O'Malley don't jump on our food.
O'Malley doesn't eat the food. It's Barbie.
Oh.
I think we only need to open one sour cream.
Okay.
Wow, even the sour cream though has like the nutrition facts on it. Okay, my Cholula. Uncap real flavor, but this isn't uncapping. Lies. Yeah. Oh yeah. Got a drizzle. Yes, O'Malley. Why is this like a baby Corona?
It is a baby Corona.
It's a baby Corona. Oh, my lime.
Oh, you want a lime? Mm-hmm. I don't know if I have a lime.
I brought that one. That probably needs to be used today.
I don't know where it is.
It's in my Teami.
Why is it?
Oh, I don't like how this comes out in chunks because the way somebody opened it. Yeah, there's like a lot of sour cream. So when I picked the meals, I think I just ordered like the family one. I didn't choose like veggie or anything. You already tried it?
Yes.
What was your thoughts?
Very good.
Okay, here we go. Wow, this is a good bite.
Very good.
That's so good, I can't talk. I'm busy eating. It's very good.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm. I can't film anymore because I gotta eat. I can't find my phone. I literally lost it. Do you know where my phone is? No, me neither. Okay, well, I'll find it in a second, but before the lighting got too bad, so we got this new ice cream to try out. Talenti, which is, I mean, I've had Talenti before, but the flavors, I'm sorry, the TV's really loud. Yeah, these look crazy. All right, so there is this one. It's the Talenti Gelato Layers. Like what? 5 layers. This one's the chocolate cherry cheesecake. So there's 5 layers. There's cheesecake gelato, chocolate chunks, black cherry sauce, oh, cheesecake gelato again, and then graham cookies. So that's that one. But I think right now I'm gonna try this one. So this is the, okay, this music, I can't. Do you see my phone? I lost it. Oh, it's right here. What? Hey Siri, where are you? She doesn't even answer when she's in my phone, in my hand. Okay, crisis averted. All right, but so this is the one I think I'm gonna try right now. So this is the salted caramel truffle. So it's got the 5 layers again. It's got sea salt caramel gelato, chocolate cookies, dulce de leche, and then vanilla gelato. So there's 2 different gelatos in here, which I guess you can tell. The caramel and then vanilla. And then caramel truffles down at the bottom. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. Put these on the gram.